Hello guys, welcome to Affinity. Today we want to teach you how you work with your text in Affinity. For instance, a simple creative arrangement of text like this. So first, right now you have your Affinity. These are the three specific ways: your layout, your pixel format. This is your vector format. So in your layout, this is how you see them arranged one, two, three. But if on the same page it says you come out this way, but from here you can select and work with anyone at the moment. So let's come back to our vector base, and then let's see how we can achieve this. So right now, let's get our text. This is our text tool here. Come here, you can write. It allows you to write. Sorry, this is the artistic. They are different. This is the frame text, and this is the artistic text. So you select the artistic text for when you want to write something single, like a single text for that matter. Select it, click, and then you can write. Let's write this soft touch designs. Soft touch designs. Then select all. Then you come here. You can. This is the list where you can centralize. This is how to handle it. Then you can, let's say, justify, or you align center. Then if you want to change add to bold. Then here you can add it. Then right click from here, you want to capitalize. You come to change keys, look at your lower case, look at your upper case. Then scale it up a bit. Scale it, reduce it, adjust at this point. Then you want to paste in a text, a bulky text. This is where the frame text comes in. You select the frame text where you want to fill your bulky text like this, and adjust it downwards a bit. Then for instance, you can now go to where you want to copy your text. Let's copy this, and then let's go back to here, then paste inside. It is smaller. Let's change the color to black. This is black, and let's add the font size in. As you can see, look at the font size, the available font size. Let's select 30, but it's giving us a sign. Look at this red output here. It means that the write up is beneath that. It's not all. There are some write up that are cut off from down here. So you try to adjust, adjust like this. So at this moment, we are now concluded that it we can see all our text coming out very properly. So right now, from here you can see that. Let's zoom in, press Control and then scroll for your mouse if you are using the mouse. Then you can see it hasn't aligned here. You come to just click here, justify right. It has gone the other side. You can see justify left. It has aligned from this side. Then backwards. No, sorry. You can see justify all. So right now everything has been justified. Let's select again. You can see justify left. You can see from the other. So everything now it's in order. So thank you, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. We'll see you in our next class.